Queens homeowners and buyers, are you ready to see how the market wrapped up in 2024? Stick with us for the latest stats on single family and multifamily homes, perfect for anyone planning their next move in 2025.
We'll also be sharing key takeaways to help you navigate the year ahead, so don't miss out.
I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra, your real estate brokers with Empire Fine Homes.
First, let's dive into single family homes. In 2024, 2,880 single family homes sold compared to 2,848 in 2023. That's a slight year-over-year increase of 1.1%. The median sales price climbed from 5.8% from $780,000 in 2023 to $825,000 in 2024.
Homes also moved faster, spending an average of 41 days on the market. That's 5 days quicker than the 46 days we saw in 2023. The highest sale of the year is stunning property sold in Malba for $3.85 million, while the most affordable home sold in Arverne for $110,000.
Correct. And currently we have 822 single-family homes that are under contract with a median list price of $819,000. 846 homes are actively listed for sale with a median asking price of $875,000.
Now let's talk about multifamily properties, 2 to 4 units. In 2024, 1,620 multifamily homes sold, slightly down from 1,628 in 2023. A slight drop of 0.5%. However, the median sales price jumped 5.4% from $1,024,864 in 2023 in $1,880 in 2024.
These homes stayed on the market an average of 49 days. Right now, 642 multifamily properties are under contract, while 875 are listed for sale with a median asking price of $1,292,500.
That's right. Looking back, the Queens market has stayed consistent in terms of sales value, but prices for both single-family homes and multifamily homes rose about 5.5%. It is a clear sign of continued demand and a strong market heading into 2025.
Correct. So whether you're planning to buy, sell, or invest, staying informed is key. Reach out to us for tailored advice and insights to make the most of your real estate goals this year.
And before you go, don't forget to like this video, share with a friend or family considering making a move, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more market updates and real estate tips.
And hit that notification bell so you will always be up to date. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.